If you put your entire life savings into a single stock, you are not an investor. You are gambling your future on a single fragile promise. Meet Dave. Dave, he's 28 years old, lives in Austin, Texas, and spent the last 8 months working late night design just to save his very first $6,000. Now Dave, he didn't want his hard-earned savings melting away in a standard bank account earning 0.01% interest. He wanted financial independence. So, last Thursday at 2 a.m., while drinking a Starbucks cold brew in his studio, Dave saw a viral social media post claiming a trendy tech stock was guaranteed to rocket 50x. Driven by fear of missing out, Dave opened his trading app, transferred every single cent of his $6,000 savings, and bought shares in that one single company. Dave, he went to sleep dreaming of early retirement. But in reality, he sent a single performer onto a massive global stage with zero security, no manager, and no backup plan. 3 days later at 9:31 a.m., bad news hit the wire. The CEO unexpectedly resigned. The tech stock crashed 55% in 8 minutes, and 8 months of Dave's hard work vanished before his morning coffee even cooled down. Now, Dave didn't lose his money because Wall Street is rigged. He lost because he tried to run a multi-million-dollar show with a single performer. When that one star tripped, the entire empire collapsed. Smart money does not rely on one performer. They build an A-list celebrity entourage where every team member has a specific job. Now today, we are going to rescue Dave's portfolio and show you step by step how to assemble the 5 core team members that you need for a crash-proof financial empire. Team member number 1 is the A-list pop star. In your portfolio, this represents high-growth tech stocks, giants like Nvidia, Apple, and Microsoft. The pop star, they bring massive energy, global headlines, and explosive potential revenue. When the market is booming, the pop star sells out arenas, drives the stock charts up, and generates your biggest percentage gains. But here's the catch that beginners forget. Pop stars, they're moody and volatile. When interest rates rise or an earnings report misses expectations, the pop star throws a tantrum and the stock price plummets. You never make the pop star your entire entourage. Cap high growth tech stocks at 20-25% of your portfolio. Great for headlining, terrible managing the business alone. Team member number 2 is the 7-foot heavy bodyguard. In your portfolio, this represents dividend anchor stocks, rock solid veteran companies like Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, and Nike. The bodyguard, he doesn't sing, he doesn't dance, and he definitely doesn't hit any high notes. But he carries an unbreakable defensive presence. When a market recession hits, consumer spending slows, or economic storms arise, these essential companies keep selling everyday goods and depositing cash dividend checks straight into your account every quarter. The bodyguard blocks the market hits, keeps your portfolio stable, and provides passive cash flow even when tech stocks are dropping. Allocate 20 to 25% of your defensive anchors to the bodyguard. Team member number 3 is the heavy engine, the tour bus fleet. In your portfolio, this is your S&P 500 index fund. The tour bus fleet doesn't care about individual drama or predicting which song hits number 1 this week. It represents raw, unstoppable, multi-year progress, carrying the top 500 companies in America all at once. When market volatility gets chaotic, the tour bus fleet just keeps rolling down that highway, carrying your entire wealth, building across decades. This is the core foundation of your empire. The S&P 500 should make up 35 to 45% of a beginner's long-term portfolio. Let the fleet do the heavy lifting for you. Team number 4 is the luxury real estate business. This represents real assets, real estates, REITs, R-E-I-T, or physical property. Real estate provides tangible strength, steady monthly rental income, like owning the commercial building where Dave buys his Starbucks coffee. Physical brick and mortar backing and ironclad hedge against inflation. When paper money loses purchasing power or digital charts lose shaky physical real estate grounds, your wealth is in land and structures. You can see and touch them. Dedicate 10 to 15% here. And finally, guess who team member 5 is? Team member number 5 is the executive briefcase. This represents your high yield cash reserves. That's right, money sitting safely in a high yield account. The briefcase sits quietly backstage, packed with liquid capital. While amateur investors panic during a market crash, the briefcase gives you the power to act with precision. Having cash reserves means when a high quality stock like Apple or Nike go on sale, you can instantly step in and buy world-class assets at a deep discount. Keep 5 to 10% in liquid cash reserves. I suggest 10. Now, look at Dave's portfolio now. He isn't panicking over morning news. He isn't sweating over daily stock fluctuations. He has the pop star for growth, the bodyguard for defense, the tour bus fleet for core momentum, real estate for physical backing, and the briefcase ready to buy up some discounts. Dave stopped gambling on a single performer. Assemble your entourage based on your roster and build a financial empire that lasts. Subscribe and welcome to the Turbo Investor. Now leave a comment down below. Get to work.